Now next is, where did the empire of Harshvardhan cease after defeat Pulkeshi II in the battle? Means when he lost the battle with Pulkeshi II. When he lost the battle with Pulkeshi II, which means across which river he could not go beyond. Okay, because he defeated. Okay, so he could not go beyond river Narmada. Okay, he could not go beyond river Narmada because it was seized. Seized by whom? Seized by Pulkeshi II. Okay, so he could not reach or could not go beyond Narmada as it was seized. Now when it is day in India, in which of the following country will it be night? Now when there is day in India, okay, because the distance, okay, because of the distance of Canada is far away from India. That is why it depends on the rotation of the earth. Okay, it depends on what? It depends on the rotation of the earth. Now, whenever the sun rays are falling straight, so at that time there is day, and on the other side it will be night. Okay, so in the same way, if it is daytime in India, in Canada it will be night. Why? Because of the rotation of earth. Because it is daytime in India. Here it is, if it is daytime, here it will be night time. Okay, so in Canada there will be night. Which place? Canada. Okay, now in which direction does the earth rotates on its axis? Now earth also rotates with the help of direction. Okay, in the same direction it used to rotate every time. Okay, so the earth rotates on the direction of west to east. How? West to east. Okay, now next, earth experience day and night because. Now I have already explained this day and night concept of day and night, that because of the rotation of the earth used to rotate, and I told you that when there is day time in one place, while other will be facing night time. Why? Because the rays are not directly falling on such place. Just for example, is if this is sunlight, okay, and this is what? Our earth. Now direct rays are falling right now on which place? On this place. This place the direct lights are not falling. Okay, so this period will be night, and here it will be day. So in this way it depends. Day and night occurs with the help of rotation of the earth. Okay, so we will see the option. The sun rotates on its axis. No, the earth rotates on its axis, rotates. Because of the rotation, day and night occurs. What occurs? Day and night occurs. Now next, season occur on the earth. What? Season occurs on the earth because of, now season occurs, there is a changes in season because of the revolution of earth. Earth rotates on its axis also, like this on its axis, and revolve around the sun also, right? So because of the revolution, what occurs? Season occurs, right? So we will see the sun revolves around this earth. No, the sun doesn't revolve around the sun. The sun rotates on its axis. No. Answer is the earth revolves around the sun. Because of the revolution, season occurs. So because of rotation, day and night occurs, and because of the revolution, season occurs. Okay. Now next, what angle does the earth makes with its orbit? Now with its axis it makes the angle of 23.5, but with its orbit it makes the angle of 66.5 degree. What? 66.5